Miss me, hi, hello!
Hi, I'm Rayleigh.
I'm Allie.
And this is The Rally Show!
Allie, 14, I like reading, drawing, being crazy. I think that's the wrong guy. Okay, no, seriously. It's sleeping. It's very important for you. Did I mention crazy?
I'm Ray, 14. I like pie.
We're all about
Having fun.
being crazy.
Woohoo!
And boring you with our lame shows.
No, seriously, not even joking.
No.
We're here to beat Fred and kick him off the internet. Just kidding, we love him. Okay, this is Linkins. I sleep with him every night.
This is Bella. Stop tearing the report for us.
Anyways, now we'll be doing our Trojan contest. Sweet! First, we must remove our socks.
A blue.
Okay. Ready? Wait, no.
Oh yeah. This is hot. Wait.
Oh, no,
I lost my soccer.